Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the best alternative to IDM. So why am I doing this video? First of all, when I started using Linux I wanted to download files but I couldn't. Why? Because IDM does not exist in Linux or does not run in Linux natively. I think you can use Wine to make it run, but it's not as good. So I found out you can say a program, a software that works on Windows, works on Linux, and it has the same function as IDM. Sorry, it's called FDM. FDM stands for Free Download Manager. It works on Arch Linux, Ubuntu. It works on Windows 11, 10, etc. So let's get into setting it up. I'm going to show you how to download it, how to use it, how to install it, and all that shenanigans. So let's get into the video. So ladies and gentlemen, we're going to go to Google right here and we're going to search for free download manager. Free download like this. Sorry. Manager like this. So it's gonna be free download manager, or you can just type in FDM, which stands for free download manager. So as you can see here, you can see the reviews, you can read all this stuff. I'm not gonna do it. Here you can download it for Windows, or you can choose other platforms. And yeah, you can download it for Windows, Mac OS, Android, and Linux. So we're gonna download it for Windows like this. Just gonna click download. It's gonna start download. As you can clearly see, I'm downloading FDM using FDM. So I'm just gonna hit cancel. I've already downloaded it like this. I'm gonna hit cancel, of course. And you can, or not you can, you must install it for Google Chrome, Firefox, or any Chromium based browser like Brave. You can use it for Brave and stuff like that. So you're just gonna get here, click on Google Chrome, and it's gonna take you to the page of Google Chrome extensions. Install it and you are good to go like this. Just click add to Chrome and it will be added. After you download it, all you gotta do is install it like you install any other application. Now we're gonna run it and see what makes it so special. So this is the interface of it. It's clean, it's simple. You want to download a file or torrent file or anything like that, just click on it, drag it inside the application like this, boom, and it will start downloading it. It's that simple. If you have something copied, just Ctrl V and it will start downloading it. As simple as it is. All right. The best thing about it is here you can choose the speeds. You have three different setups. You have high, medium, and low. You can choose the highest settings or the highest download speed, medium, and low. For example, let's say I want to watch a YouTube video, but I want my download to keep running in the background. I'm gonna let it download and I'm gonna choose right here low, and it will download. I think the speed here is a 250 megabytes per kilobytes per second. Yeah, as you can clearly see, 256 megabytes download, 256 megabytes upload. It will download in the background and I can watch my movie or video or my live stream or whatever I want. Let's say I want to download something but I want it to go slow, but I don't want it to pause so it do not get corrupted. Sometimes if you click on pause or if you stop the download and you try to resume it, it fails. You have what's called the snail mode. When you click it, the bandwidth will become 100 bytes per second and the download will stay downloading because you're connected to the server, but also you can do anything like you're downloading nothing. All right, it makes the download so slow. And of course we have here, you know, regular settings. We have add-on if you want to add it to Google Chrome, Firefox, and stuff like that, or you can download add-ons that people created. I do not recommend you to do that. Just use it like it is. It's perfect. Preferences here, you can, you know, you can change anything. You can change the language, you can change the theme, you can change the UI, you can change anything you want. Let me turn this off. You have BitTorrent here, you have network, you can choose the download speeds if you want, you have remote access if you want remote access. You got everything inside this application. I really recommend you to try it. I really recommend you to try it, and I recommend you to try it in your phones as well. If you have Linux, you can try it. It is perfect. And that's pretty much it, the video of today. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you like it. If you did, drop us a like, comment down below in the description section, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.